Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been out in the sun a little too long and your skin's looking dull or tanned, don't worry. Today, I'll share some super simple, natural, and dermatologist-approved ways to remove tan and get your natural glow back. So let's jump right in. First, let's quickly understand what tanning actually is. When your skin is exposed to the sun, it produces more melanin. That's the pigment responsible for your skin color as a defense mechanism against UV rays. That's why you notice that darker, uneven tone. Good news, with the right care, you can fade that tan naturally. Step 1 is cleansing and exfoliation. You want to remove the layer of dead skin cells and dirt sitting on your face. Here's a simple DIY scrub you can make at home. Take 1 tablespoon of coffee, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt or milk, mix it into a paste, and gently scrub for 2 to 3 minutes. Coffee helps exfoliate, while milk or yogurt contains lactic acid that brightens the skin. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start seeing a smoother texture. Next up, de-tanning masks. There are tons of natural packs that help lighten and tan and add glow. Here are 2 tried and tested ones. Option 1, gram flour. Pack 2 tablespoons gram flour, besan, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, a pinch of turmeric rose water to make a paste. Apply it for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. It brightens and evens out skin tone beautifully. Option 2, tomato and honey pack. Mash half a tomato and mix with 1 teaspoon honey. Apply for 10 minutes. It instantly freshens up dull skin. After exfoliating or using a pack, don't forget to hydrate your skin. Use a lightweight moisturizer with aloe vera, vitamin E, or hyaluronic acid. These keep your skin supple and glowing. You can also spritz some rose water or cucumber mist throughout the day. It soothes and adds that natural freshness. All your effort will go to waste if you skip sunscreen. Use a broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher even when you're indoors. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're outside. And remember, cover up with a hat or scarf and drink plenty of water. Healthy, glowing skin always starts from within. So there you have it, your complete tan removal and glow up routine. Try these remedies consistently for a week or 2 and you'll notice your skin looking brighter and more even toned. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more skincare tips, and share this video with your friends who need that glow up. Thanks for watching. Stay glowing, stay confident.